Yes, the big shots are down. Hey, Agbabola. How much is money? Hey, balling, premium or nothing. Now you know. Ayagaya, igirigi, ayagaya, boom boom. Hello and welcome to Juicing Julie. Come right in, it's unboxing time. I am so excited, so excited. Okay, are we ready to open? There are two packages, this one and this one. Let's start. Let me tell you the story behind all of this excitement. And I will start from the very beginning. So, it dates back to my discovery of juicing, and that was at the inception of COVID. Maybe you don't know, but I'm a nurse and a midwife. And we all know that during the COVID, we were at the front line and the risk of getting infected by COVID was really high. And I had family members who were at a high risk of getting serious side effects from COVID if they ever got infected. So my quest to stay healthy and stay free from that infection was real. Again, I will mention that I'm a very fussy eater, and that scared me even more because I thought I might not be taking enough nutrients for my immunity to be so well built to withstand the impact of COVID. So I discovered juicing. When I did, I came across the Nama juicer. Now, the Nama juicer was so expensive. Remember, I was new to juicing. To invest that amount of money was So I decided to start with something really cheap, and my first juicer lasted for 1 week. Since then, if you've been following me religiously on this channel, you know I have gone through a lot of juicers. And Nama was my game plan for the future when I was able to save and buy it and see how I'm getting on with juicing as a lifestyle. And if you've been following me, you know we've come a long way. So it was exciting, and it's still exciting that I finally got to buy my dream juicer because I've had a lot of experiences. Now, stay with me on this channel, and 1 year down the line, we'll be reviewing the Nama juicer. However, I must say that the process of purchasing from Namawell was so smooth. Remember, I'm not paid for this. I'm just saying it's based on my experience, and I'm so excited to see what Nama has to offer because I've heard so much about Nama juicer. So owning one is a big deal for me. So that's why all of this excitement is happening. Like I said, watch my video and I will keep dropping hints of how I'm getting on with Nama juicer. So let's continue with our unboxing. The strainer. And since we have juice container, pulp container, so I'm expecting two. Ooh, here comes the bride. So this has numbering. Would I say this is the juice container? I believe it's the pulp container. I know because there are no numberings. I want to know how much juice you extracted, so we have this. So them two. Yep. Chamber set plus quick start guide. Na. So remind me of my fridger. The outlet here with a lock. pulp outlet, juice outlets, because it has a closure. As the time goes on, you will see me using them for my juice. This is the juicer, or the juice outlet, and that's the pulp outlet. Oh, it does open up completely. Pulp outlets, that's the container that holds the juice as it's produced. Some numbering, which is nice. It's a black one. There's a few things. Layering guide. That's very handy on how to layer stuff as you're piling up to juice. That will come handy. And of course, there's a little button here which you pop to get this open. Quality over quantity. Then there's a warning stuff there. Do not ever put fingers or other objects into the hopper juicer outlet or pulp outlet. So, are we ready? So these are all that came with our Nama juicer box. So that's everything. Quick start guide, user manual. Yep. To get the best, this one. Yep. Nama. That's exactly what we've just unboxed when it is all set up. Recipe book, that's nice. So I have recipe book to go with. Looking very colorful and tasty. Guide, starter pack, how to set everything up here. So then I bought an extra. This one I had to pay separately for this one. It said bye bye pulps, extra smooth bye bye pulps. So let's see. So many boxes. So that's my little strainer. I didn't know it was this tiny. It's meant to fit on the juicer pulp, so reduce work for you, because I like my juices extra smooth, so that comes handy. I don't know what this, I'm not sure what this is. If you know, please put in the comment section, because I have no idea. But I'm hoping that as time goes on, I'll figure it out. Then there's something, just checking to see that I didn't miss anything inside the pulp. So okay, so let's see. Pulp pusher used to press. Now you see, very easy. Where is it? Oh, so you use that to press down to strain. So that literally presses down to give that smooth strain. Instead of me using spoons and all that, that makes sense. So thank you now. So ladies and gentlemen, that's all we have. Here is the Nama Well product, and we are ready to continue our juicing lifestyle. What I'm going to do is to wash clean and ready for juices. I will advise you to look forward to the juices that we are going to be making with Nama, the top brands in juicers. So I'm so excited to have Nama in my collection of juicers, and I'm looking forward to happy days, healthier juice, healthier me. Let's wash off and watch out for the next video where we'll continue to use our Nama. So I'll leave it to dry, and the next time You'll be seeing this juicer. It will be in action as we couple it together and make some juice out of it. So stay tuned. So here we are, all dry, ready to be put together. Next one. So, it is quite an elegant looking juicer. I'm so looking forward to all the yummy juices that will come out of this juicer. Are you ready? All set. Allow, let the juicing begin. So, wow, the sound of it is so tolerable. And if you enjoyed and watched up to this point, I say thank you. If you've not subscribed, subscribe, like this video. I'll appreciate that. Leave your comments in the comment section and share. Till I see you next time, make food your medicine. Bye bye. Click on those videos popping up and please watch them. I'm sure you find those recipes really yummy. Bye.